Hello, and welcome to User Experience, Applied Research and Design. I'm Doran Cernat. I'm a technical trainer at SkillsGap Trainer Communications. I put together this course because I know there are a lot of workers out there who've never done UX, but would like to learn the profession. Becoming a UX professional is easier for some than for others. UX is a field which developed out of the fields of usability and human factors, fields which are related to software development. Individuals with experience related to social science research or technology may have a big advantage. Anyone with a background in web development, software development, graphic design, research, psychology, engineering, or business analysis is especially well suited. My goal was to create a course that would offer a fast but comprehensive overview of the UX research and design process. The course starts out with an introduction to UX, but quickly ramps up to present the intermediate and advanced process behind UX. The second part of the course showcases a lengthy UX project where learners are able to see the type of analysis, research, and process required in an applied UX project. User experience is not just about designing something that looks visually and aesthetically stunning, but it is a profession with many components that contribute towards delivering an excellent experience. User experience is a professional field which contains several disciplines. The main components are user experience design and user research. User experience design refers to the interactions that a user has with the product, whereas user research refers to understanding users and their needs. Now, user experience is essential to all kinds of products and services. The creation of a digital product should be overseen by someone who is familiar with the principles of user experience. Applying user experience fundamentals to the design process leads to the design of products which are more usable, pleasant, and engaging to the end customer. Products designed with user experience in mind end up doing better in the marketplace, offering the brands which they represent with a competitive advantage. A bad user experience will ensure that people do not come back for another visit. A user experience which is not bad, but only acceptable, will not guarantee that the user does not go to a competitor. Though advanced features may be a good selling point, most users end up being loyal to the brands which have the better user experience rather than the most advanced functionality. It is the research process that is often overlooked as part of the design work. It is the research process that often needs explaining to colleagues, supervisors, employers, and clients. For these reasons, the emphasis of this course will be on the research process that is used to understand users and their needs.